All right, with this video, I want to just take you on a journey, kind of go in the back office of Save Club, and I can show you what it looks like, how to save money on things you're already buying. And I think most of you guys that watch my videos, you want to earn money too as an affiliate. All right, so all that money you save, you can go blow it on other things. Okay, who's addicted to Amazon shopping? Put your hand down. I think the whole world uses Amazon at this point. But anyway, thank you for subscribing and just bookmarking my channel. Okay, now let me shrink myself up here. All right, now with Save Club, this is what it looks like when you go ahead and join and you log in to your back office. Okay, it's pretty self-explanatory. This is the home page. Your membership, you can join, of course, by the month or the year, super cheap. My deals. This is important because when I click this tab, you're going to go ahead and search the world. I live in Utah, so what I'll do is put in either my zip code or my city, and it can show me local deals or just, worldwide, like going to Disneyland, let's say in Florida, or maybe I want to go somewhere and work on my tan, but I'll show you that tab last, okay? Now, this is important because a lot of people that have already joined Save Club, they don't realize you can download the app to your iPhone or your, let's say I have a Samsung, that's Android, but right there it says mobile app. All you do is click it, enter the information, and bam, you've got the app. Because there is, a convenience when you use an app versus just going online on a home computer or a laptop like you're seeing now. I personally like to work from a home computer, especially when I search deals. But obviously, if you're just at a mall or maybe you want to go eat something, you're probably going to have your cell phone on, okay? So anyway, that's how you download the app. My info, that's self-explanatory. You just go in there, enter all your info and your information. Order history, you click this, and it'll show you what you've ordered, okay? Like a 1-year membership, for example. My team, this is all the people that have signed up in my group who I like to help or train or at least direct them to videos that are already produced. And believe it or not, that's how a lot of people are going to want to be treated or trained or taught. They just want to see videos that are already made. Now, sure, we do live Zooms and webinars, and we do a lot of them, but they're also recorded because we know probably, 8 out of 10 people, they can't watch live. You can't watch live. You could be sleeping. You could have a job. You might be at school. But I think there's a value of watching a live webinar recorded because obviously you can pause it and then come back or watch it anytime you want. Okay. So anyway, the leaderboard, this is the world, folks. Okay. You can see I'm doing pretty well. If you look, I'm number 8 in the world. I've got over 100 people signed up. I think I'll have a couple hundred by the time it's getting a little chilly here in good old Utah where I live. As of today, what is it? It's September 16th of 2025. Guys, we're only about 100 days old. That's how new Save Club is. Okay, so you haven't missed the boat. No, everybody that joins the first week or two does not get the top of the pyramid of the financial riches. That's not how our pay is decided. Okay, so just relax. Just realize if you're watching my video as of September 16th of 2025, we're only let's see, June 1st is when we kicked off. Okay, so 100 days old. Happy birthday to Save Club. Rank recognition, you can see everybody that is ranked up. And yes, rank up to bank up. The higher rank you have, you're going to make more money. All right, we'll go over the pay plan and everything else later where you can watch it because it'd take me an hour to explain how we get paid. It's easier if you just watch a video produced by the company. My websites, there's a ton of websites that if you click, you can use these websites to get people to sign up either to save money or to become an affiliate. Okay, there you go. Look at that. I like this one the best. See where it says saveclubtour.com? My username is Cory Draper. So obviously if your name is, let's say, Bob Thomas, maybe /Bob Thomas. Maybe your name is Little Lulu. Okay, but you can change your username. You can do it as a business. I have better success by branding myself so people can look me up on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. People know I'm a real person, and I do have success with Save Club. And I think that if people see me promoting Save Club week after week, month after month, year after year, guys, there's a reason why. I'm saving and making money. Okay? So it's up to you what your username is, but look at how many websites you can direct traffic to. Okay, if you just want to invite people that enjoy food. This one specializes in talking about Save Club at restaurants. Okay. This one, 67 cents per day per freedom. But go through every single one of these. Save and Earn Curious. Some of them down here, people travel, right? Are you a travel just maniac? I don't travel that much. Are you a boss babe? I think that's a cool name, boss babe in a badass blue car. All right, you little boss babes. Military wives. All right. App customers, but it's up to you. Go ahead and watch every single one of these short little videos. And yes, they're designed to get people interested to join you, not the company, you. And boom, you're going to earn money if you're going to be an affiliate, which is super cheap. So why not? But nonetheless, I just wanted to show you all the websites. There's just a ton of support. We have just a ton of webinars that have teachings, how to do this, how to do that. And that's one of my favorite things about this opportunity is there's training already made. You just go and get it. Okay, there's merchandise. You want to buy a hat or a shirt. It's up to you. But see the training tab. Go ahead and click it and check this out. Look at the middle of your screen. Watch this first. And you don't have to watch it every time. But obviously, if you're new and you sign up, go to the training tab and just watch this fast start introduction. It's only a couple minutes. And then here, go ahead and watch the 90-day blitz. All the marketing materials. There's a ton of pictures. There's a ton of video. There's banners. Everything's already made. So if you're shy and you don't want to do video, don't worry about it. There's video already made that's neutral. It promotes Save Club, and it promotes people joining you. Okay? Not the club, not somebody else. So if you're shy or you just don't like your voice, I'd say I'd say maybe 8 out of 10 people, they don't want to be on video. They don't even like to be on camera. And that's okay. We have tons of video, and video is highly effective. But so's email, so's social media. TikTok is always going to be just kick ass with Facebook and Instagram, but it's up to you. Now, here's the comp plan. You can download and just read how to get paid, or do what I do, just watch the video. And this is what I send everyone. They go, hey, Cory, how do you get paid? I send them this video because it shows you how to save money and earn money. And I'm done. And if people don't understand, they just hit replay. Okay, very simple. How to use my deals. And I'm going to show you this at the very end of the video. This is how you can go search and save on things you're already buying. Pretty cool, right? Okay, anyway, tons of training. And see where it says marketing materials? Hit that little orange oval, and you can see clear back in May, but we kicked off officially right here, June 1st. But look at almost every week, we just drop new video, new pictures, stuff for Facebook, stuff for Instagram. Our videos can be 7 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds. Some are longer. Our webinars easily go 30 minutes or an hour, and they are for you. Invite people just to watch video, and you relax and just get really good at inviting people. Like I said, through email. It could be just through social media. I'm a big fan of Facebook. Look at all that material. Look at it. All you got to do is just click each one of these little lines here where it says food, free app. You can see there's memes, non-branded. What that means is it's neutral. It doesn't have like Save Club blasted all over it. It might show like a hamburger. Are you a foodie? Do you like to eat? And it might show juicy burgers and steaks and fries or chicken and ribs. Okay. And then maybe it gets you kind of hungry. Whets your appetite a little bit. Whets your whiz hole. Okay. But if it's branded, that means that Save Club is somewhere in the video. But some people just want a neutral video. And when people click to get information, then they will be introduced to Save Club. And that makes sense because some people might just see the word Save Club. They've already made up their mind that it's just not for them. But there's branded and non-branded. But you guys will definitely figure this out. It is so easy. I think most importantly is there's a lot of support and training. All right. And where it says webinars right here, just click it and you can see that we have, see where it says 1 p.m. Eastern time? Okay. It's up to you. Like on Monday, they do content drops, the company, and our CEO, Charlie, and he's got a whole bunch of people that help produce content and run Save Club. But yeah, if you're available, 1 o'clock Eastern. All right. I live in Utah. So that means that's 11 in the morning, 10 in the morning in California. And like I said, if you can watch these webinars live, great. If not, they're fully recorded. Okay. You can see on Wednesday, we do another one, and on Friday. So there's 3 a week, and they're about an hour each one. and go ahead and just watch the replays. Just relax. You don't have to watch them live. Okay, now where it says My Deals, you can go on your cell phone app, or this is a home computer laptop that you can see right now. And this is my favorite way. I just love to sit with a big screen right in front of my big giant face, and I can kind of search around deals. Now you can see I live in Salt Lake City. So here's a zip code, 84105. Now if I just put in anything right here, it could be discount tire, could be discount on pizza. Maybe I just type in the word jewelry. Okay, there's tons of categories. Parks and tickets, you can see right here, events. Yes, you can save on events. Let's say you like to go to, the circus, or maybe the Ice Capades coming up. What else is there? Concerts, NFL football, NBA basketball. Okay, movie tickets. You guys like movies? If you can save like $3-4, because most movies now, what are they, about 10 to 15, unless you go before noon. But why not? If you can even save $3 or $4, you're going to the movie anyway. And if you can save $3-4, why don't you buy like a small water? Isn't that about what it costs? So just spend hours and hours and hours, or if you only got minutes and minutes and minutes, but type in your zip. And obviously, if you're going to, let's say, Canada, or maybe you're going across the world, type in the city and country and go ahead and search, let's say, hotels or flight or transportation. Maybe you want to rent something like a car, but you can see the deals here. I'll just scroll. Universal Studios, Disneyland. Okay, right here, you go into Chicago, Orlando, Miami. These are just really popular cities in America where people go. But SeaWorld, this is just for people that like to go to parks or maybe treat their family. But here's deals on Petco. Okay, why not save? If you can save $5 to $10 on dog food, or maybe cat nip, or one of those things where cats climb up and stretch out and rest all day. But look, Pizza Hut, Panda Express. We're talking Fortune 500, Fortune 100 companies have already joined this opportunity, and we're only 100 days old. Wendy's, I love those chocolate Frosties, I got to admit. Who shops at Amazon? Who doesn't shop at Amazon? Look, Walmart, Amazon, Subway. I'm just showing you some of the biggest businesses in the world are already a part of this opportunity. Now, the reason why this opportunity is more dynamic and is probably going to blow everyone out of the water, and I mean even Groupon and all the other great like Priceline companies, they've been around a long time, but guess what? This is a worldwide save club. I'm talking China, Malaysia, Singapore, Canada, Mexico, down under our friends in Australia. What's going on, mate? Okay, wonder if you get a maniac like me to sign up in your group. And I like to make anywhere from 10 to 15 to 50 videos a week on YouTube alone. And if I get a whole downline, 3 people in Australia, those 3 people get 10 people. Those 10 people, only 4 people go and find people over in New Zealand. And then they go across in the ocean there to, let's say New Guinea. And then boom, they know a couple people way down south over in Brazil. All right, you can see it starts escalating and it pays unlimited deep. Savings. Yes. If I have 14 people that have signed up here, there, boom, boom, I go down 10 to 15 levels. Yes, I can get a chunk of change off what people are saving and on the membership. Okay. This is where you're going to save money. We're not asking you to spend money to make money. Okay. Sure. You got to join. It's super cheap. Okay. You got to be a member each month, which is nothing, but you're already shopping. Obviously, you wouldn't even probably watch my video, but you saw all the businesses I was just scrolling the last, 2 or 3 minutes. Who does not go to Walmart, Amazon, or Wendy's, Kentucky Fried Chicken? Who does not go visit Aunt Gertrude for Thanksgiving, maybe for Christmas? You got to fly to California and you live in, let's say, Montana, and you need a car to rent, or maybe you're going to fly into LAX and go visit people in Malibu. Okay, but I could sit here for 10 hours and come up with scenarios or examples on things that you're probably already spending. But why not download the app? It's free. Go ahead and join. It's pennies, and start saving on everything you're already buying. But in the meantime, why not do what I do and promote? And like I said, you don't have to do video like I'm doing. If you are a little shy and don't know how to talk on camera, do not worry about it. We've already got tons of video, all lengths. We have banners, pictures. And you just post with a purpose. I was showing a good friend of mine yesterday, and I showed her that this is how I post on Facebook. because I post a lot of nonsense, but it's posting with a purpose. You know, if I show pretty badass boots that women will buy, of course that's going to kind of get the attention of girls going, damn, those are some nice boots. But then my next post might be a crazy kiss lamp that I bought. You can see here I bought from my friend Gavin. Or maybe a guitar like Steve Vai's in back of me. Okay? But you're posting on social media anyway. Why not be creative and post things that will stimulate people to think, well, hey, I'd like to maybe buy that. And if people go ahead and join Save Club in your group, guys, you could have literally hundreds, if not thousands of people in your group. You're not going to talk to them. You will never meet them. They're probably all over the world. And guess what? If they are just simply saving money, you're going to get a little piece of something. And let me tell you, it can absolutely add up. And you guys, I think, understand. So, all right, I'm going to end it now. I'm at the 15-minute mark. I definitely appreciate your time. I really do, big time, okay? So below the video, please just go to my YouTube channel. Okay, it's pretty easy to find. Why don't I just go ahead and I'll show you? Because sometimes seeing is believing. Okay, so anyway, let me go ahead and just show you my YouTube channel and subscribe to it if you don't mind. Maybe you're already watching my YouTube channel, but this is it right here. All right, you can see my smiling face there. It's just under Cory J. Draper. All right, and you can see I guess my username on YouTube is just Cory J. Draper. And yes, my middle name is just the letter J. And when you find my channel, you can see I do an insane amount of LiveGood and Save Club. Okay, the websites are similar. The theory, the way that you earn money is similar. And I'm a really big fan of LiveGood. This is the company that got me into this social media online thing, about a little over 2 years ago. And right now I just love making videos where people can get healthy and buy products like in LiveGood. But then I also am a big fan of people saving money on things you're already buying. Okay, and that's where, yes, Save Club comes into the effect. And just click any of my videos and you can see. Here we go. Hold on.
Information to share with you.
Okay, there we go. Here's a Friday webinar. If you'd like to watch it, it's 53 minutes. But if you'd like to just get more information, please just go to joinsaveclub.org. Okay, that's the official link to where you're going to go to this page right here. So joinsaveclub.org. Put in your name, email, and phone. Click Secure My Position and watch this video, and that's it. And if you don't want anything to do with Save Club, don't worry. I'm not going to bug you. You're not going to get all this spam. But if you are interested, please go ahead and fill out this information. Hit Secure My Position. I'm going to send you a nice email just giving you some information about me. And if I can help you make a decision, please do so. I'm extremely, really pretty darn good at this Save Club thing. And I want you to save money and make money too, okay? Guys, thanks for your time. And go to joinsaveclub.org.